Amalgam really is focused on helping patients and providers make better healthcare decisions by employing technology in healthcare providers' EHRs to help give them the right data at the right time to make the right decisions. And then we extend providers' clinical voice to patients and the devices they use every day, like their cell phones, where we give them applications to help them self-manage their diseases. I've known George for close to 20 years. We both were involved with the emerging technology centers in Baltimore. And it just so happened when I was starting Amalgam, he was thinking about starting a new law firm, Nemphos Braue.
What was great is that we were actually in, if you will, on the ground floor. We actually had an opportunity to lay the foundation from a legal standpoint to assist Ryan in building his business and bringing on some terrific people along the way to become Amalgam.
What I was looking for was that expertise, but somebody who also I knew was going to answer the call whenever I needed him. What we thought that we were getting in Nemphos Braue was really a partner that had the right expertise and experience of that big firm, but then also had the personal touch of knowing that if I needed to get somebody on the phone, I was going to get my call returned within 5 minutes. If I had a deadline, there was going to be people waiting to help support us, making sure that we met those deadlines. So the personal service and the attention that you get at a boutique law firm like Nemphos Braue, combined with the experience and expertise that they bring, really to me is the best of all worlds. Having somebody like George and the team at Nemphos Braue who has been through it all, they've seen this a million times, they can answer all of your questions. They know exactly what's required at every stage, from formation, how you get the company started, to how you deal with initial investors, to how you work with strategic partners. It really has been a great fit.
Ryan is something special. Amalgam's something special because it really was at the very beginning of Nemphos Braue that they walked in the door with an idea. And I think if you ask me, I would say that's probably the biggest thing that I feel the best about with regard to the relationship and the work we've done with Amalgam, is that it's a perfect example of how we try to bring a personalized relationship to each one of our client representations. And we view them as business partners and friends. And, Amalgam is probably the ultimate example of what that really means to Nemphos Braue.